everyone, this is Travis Quadlander here at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt, and today we're looking at a beautiful white 2023 Peterbilt 389 day cab. Some would argue that this is just your run-of-the-mill everyday day cab. I would argue that the devil is in the details, and today we're going to be looking at a few things that make this truck really the right truck for your job. Again, this is a white 2023 Peterbilt 389 day cab. This is on the standard hood, or what people refer to the short hood layout. The standard hood is 123 inches bumper to the back of the cab. So that's from the front of the truck right up here all the way to the back of the cab here. The extended hood, or what people refer to as the long hood, is 131 inches bumper to back of cab, which you're going to see in pretty much all my videos on those 389s with the sleepers. I would say almost all of those, if not all of the ones on the videos, are going to have that extended hood layout. The reason why we go with this shorter hood on the day cab is this is a vocational use truck, and you're going to need it to get in some tight spaces more so than you're going to need the look and the slightly more comfortable ride with that extended hood. Now this truck is still going to ride great. It is a Peterbilt 389 after all, but it's going to have a little bit tighter turning radius than that extended hood. Let's talk about how this truck is equipped. We've got a Cummins X15 Vocational Series engine, 500 horsepower with 1850 pound-feet of torque, paired to an Eaton Fuller 13-speed manual transmission. We've got 11R 24/5 tires all the way around. Let's take a look at the other side so we can see that in the sun. If we can get the camera to catch up to us. All right, so we've got the Bridgestone R250s on that steer axle. And the Bridgestone M726 on the drive axles. It's an air track rear suspension. Really sorry about the wind noise, folks. Not much I can do about that right now. You've got the Holland FW35 fifth wheel with air slide, and of course the no tilt convertible. So you've got this bar you can pull out to be able to tilt the fifth wheel, and the bar's in there so you can lock it. Great for end dump applications. We've got an air track rear suspension rated at 40,000 pounds, 370 gear ratio. Up front we have a taper leaf suspension rated at 13,200 pounds. Dual 90-gallon fuel tanks. Got the deck plate access right here on the driver's side where you want it. Plenty of room for a blower or any other type of PTO application that you may need to add here in between the fuel tank and that quarter fender. We did go with the Hogebuilt stainless steel quarter fenders on there. We did not just do the standard cheap ones. These are not the mirror finish stainless steel quarter fenders because you don't want to have to worry about keeping those polished. This is, after all, a vocational use truck. Dual exhaust. One thing I'll show you on these day cabs and on like the 58-inch sleeper, this exhaust pipe on the driver's side is cosmetic use only, is how they spec it out from the factory. In other words, it's a dummy pipe. It's just for the look. Still looks cool. If I had my option and I was ordering a 389 day cab, of course I'd want to get it with that dual exhaust look, even if that is just for appearance only. Taking a look inside, this is equipped with the Prestige interior. Again, this is on a 225-inch wheelbase, and this truck weighed from the factory 17,138 pounds from the factory. We've got the cloth seats in here, rubber floor, so you're able to hose it down nice and easy. Of course, the all-new digital dash. This truck has 44.5 miles on it. We'll round up to 45. So the new owner will be the first person to sneeze in it. Do have the new smart wheel. All gauges in the B panel. We figured out to Put 9 gauges there, and then 2 banks of air switches right there in the B panel. It's going to give you the usable switches that you need with an additional air switch right there. Switches for belly dump, 2 PTO switches, your rear suspension dump, your 5th wheel lock, and your interaxle differential lock. There's a look at the Eaton Fuller RTLO 13-speed manual transmission. That RTLO transmission is a tried and true transmission. One thing I failed to mention while taking a look outside this truck is the rear window extension. That rear window extension does give you a little bit more room to recline your seat, and of course with the rear window gives you a great view out the back. And as every 389, still has the best view in trucking. Let's go ahead and hop out of the truck. Two air horns up top, stainless steel visor from the factory, your bullet marker lights up top. And of course we love that Peterbilt is the only manufacturer with an all aluminum hood. Makes it very easy. Special cameo by Ramos, driving the body shop's limo right there. Love that custom exhaust. Here's a look at our beautiful Cummins X15 Vocational Series engine. The Vocational Series get these really cool gray, kind of darker aluminum badges. I think they're really cool. Again, this engine is rated at 500 horsepower, 1850 pound-feet of torque. We did still spec this truck with the upgraded Davco 382 fuel water separator, your remote lube points, greasable front springs, and that taper leaf front suspension. Closing up that hood again, nice and easy, one-handed while I'm filming. And there's a nice look at a brand new white 2023 Peterbilt 389 day cab. If you're looking for a day cab or any other type of Peterbilt truck, please give me a call. My name is Travis Quadlander. I'm here at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt. My cell is 817-504-7220. Hablo Español, puede llamarme a 817-504-7220, or come see us at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt, right here in Irving, Texas, off of Loop 12 in Union Bower. Want to thank all you truckers and everyone in the transportation industry. Really want to thank you for keeping our country running when we need you the most. These are some very interesting and very trying times that we're going through right now, and just really appreciate everything that you guys and gals do to keep our country running, like I said, when we really need you the most. Give me a call. I'd love to help you out. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. And here is Walter and Cody Cloessner with Cloessner Paving out of Glenmora, Louisiana, and their brand new white 2023 Peterbilt 389 day cab. Just a little work truck, but a great looking work truck at that. This is the first Peterbilt for Cloessner Paving, and a great addition if I do say so myself. And there goes Walter and Cody Cloessner with Cloessner Paving out of Glenmora, Louisiana. All right, and their brand new white 2023 Peterbilt 389 day cab. It's a beautiful day here at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt. It's been great getting to meet you, Walter and Cody and Miss Cloessner. They brought me probably one of the best customer gifts I've ever had. I half jokingly asked them for some boudin, and man, did they deliver. Thank you so much. God bless and happy trucking.
Born to run underneath the stars. Pay no mind to my lonely